Number 16. The area A in square centimeters of a rectangular cutting board can be represented by the expression W times W plus 9, where W is the width in centimeters of the cutting board. All right, I'm going to draw this just so I can see what's going on. So I've got a rectangle, and I'm told W is the width. Yeah, I'm going to draw it more like this because I tend to think of, I admit, when they say length times width, I'm always like, well, which one's which? It doesn't really matter. But I'm going to call width this one. I think that's the more common way. Base and height, yeah, I never get those confused. But length and width, I'm like, I don't know why I've always had that blind spot. So that is my width. And we're told the area is width W times W plus 9. Now, area of a rectangle is going to be length times width. So since this area is width times this bit, I know this is representing my length. So W plus 9, which expression represents the length in centimeters of the cutting board. Okay, well, there we go. W plus 9 is my length. Variations of this problem include what is the perimeter of the cutting board. That one's pretty common. If you get one that asks that after you figured out what the length and the width is, you would add all these sides together, and you would know, since the sides, opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent, that this side would also be W and this side would be also W plus 9. In that kind of problem, then your answer might be presented as 2W, those two together, plus, and they might multiply those, W plus 9 times 2, and you would distribute and say 2W plus 2 times 9 is 18. Combine like terms, 4W plus 18. They also can leave these in undistributed form. They sometimes do that. They might say 2W plus 2 times W plus 9. This is why it's good to know your area and your perimeter, and also know like terms and know distribution, distributive property, because you never know how they're going to present an answer and what variation they're going to do. But this one, they were being nice. It is just the straightforward. If W times W plus 9 is the area and W is the width, W plus 9 must be the length, because area is equal to length times width when we're talking about a rectangle. Again, that means my answer is D, W plus 9. Hey guys, it's Alyssa, and if you're looking for more SAT or PSAT help, go to mathwithalyssa.com. You can get over 25 hours of test prep. This is math and reading and writing. Yeah, I know I just got math on YouTube. We got it all over there, along with practice questions, downloadable study guides, and more. Links to everything you need in the description below. Also, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. And if this video was helpful or useful in any way, please like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later.